Liz Sews, and today I have for you guys my December sewing plans. I'm probably being a little overly ambitious with my sewing plans this month, but I do think I will have a lot of time off from work. I do get Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Eve, New Year's Day off, so hopefully I will be able to get to all these things. So the first thing that I want to make is a shirt for Tony, and this is sort of going to be my Christmas present to him. We don't really do presents anymore, but I had purchased this fabric for him, and I really do want to get this made. So I went to do this robot t-shirt, and I have a pattern picked out. Can't remember it, so I will try to pop it up over here. Simplicity Mimi G pattern. So I'm going to do a raglan sort of long sleeve t-shirt with these robot fabrics, and then I'm thinking of doing contrasting sleeve in like a gray. So a t-shirt for Tony. I have two bras that I want to make this month. The first one is using this sort of black and gold lace that I purchased from Bra Builders. I just think it's really, really pretty. I love that gold accent on there against the black. So I haven't really decided if it's just going to be this black lace bra, or if I'm going to use this as sort of like accent pieces on something else. Because I do think it looks really pretty over a colored fabric as well. It sort of has this like dark and smoky look to it. So I haven't exactly figured out how I'm going to use this to make a bra, but I do want to make a bra out of this. And then the second bra that I want to make this month, there is a bra that comes up every year, and I know a couple of retailers sell it. And I'll try to pop up a picture here. And so this is a completely frivolous bra, right? There's no functional value to it, just for bedroom time. But I just think it would be fun to make. So there is a semi-tutorial up on Beverly's blog, the Bra and Corset Supply blog. I think that's the name of it. Where she sort of goes through the steps of how to do it. So I'm gonna sort of take some of her information, and then the only thing I don't like about her tutorial is that the bow is non-functioning. So I looked at the original listing for this bra, and it's a functioning bow. So I want it to be able to tie up and then untie. So yeah, I'm gonna get that and go. I purchased some mirror satin, and it should be here in the next day or two. So I want to give that a go, and if it turns out, I'll videotape the process as I'm doing it. I don't want it to be like a full-on tutorial, just because this is the first time I'm ever having made it. I don't know, it's more of like a sew along with me, go along with me on the journey as I make this bra. But I do think it'd be sort of fun. I think it'd be fun for other people to make for Christmas and or Valentine's Day or something like that. So that's the other bra. And then the last thing that I want to do is another shirt. I purchased the Sewaholic Granville, I'll pop up the pattern over here, Granville shirt. So I haven't gone around to using that yet, but I did get it printed off at a printer's on a zero paper. So I want to go ahead and give that a try this month. I really do love these rayon plaids. So I have a bunch. I've already made probably 4 in this sort of fabric. I've made a pink and gray one, black and gray. I have a like greenish, green, black, and white plaid, and then I have one that is a red plaid. So I have 3 more of these fabrics left over. I purchased these all from Joann's, and it's just something, I hate sewing with these, but I love these shirts. Like, I live in these plaid shirts all the time. So I think it's time for me to make another one. So I have 3 different fabrics to choose from, and I'm hoping maybe you guys have some opinions. So the first one I have is sort of green and purple and tan. And actually, I think I got this one from a rummage sale. So I have to take a look at it. If I have 4 yards, I might want to make a sew over Eve dress out of this. I don't know. I don't know if the Eve dress would work with like directional prints. Okay, so that's option 1. The second option is, this one to me is more fall, but I still think I could wear it. Tans and browns, but there's a little bit of orange in there. And then the last option is more of this berry tone, sort of like warm toned purple with orange and black. It's not coming up too great on the monitor. So those are the 3 options that I have for the Granville shirt. So let me know if you are more into green and purple, brown and orange, or berry and orange. So those are all the things that I have planned to make in November, and I will see you guys next time.